Hello everyone, let's make a beautiful mushroom forest by using waste material. First of all, we have to take a coconut shell and then we have to take some eggshells and sticks and colors and clay. Take the coconut shell and glue on it and then we have to put the waste papers on it and then we have to take a clay. Here I took orange clay because my green clay was running out. We have to spread the clay equally and then we have to take eggshells and we have to color red on it. Then we have to put some white dots and then we have to color the sticks into white. Then we have to take green color and we have to color the orange clay into green so that it can look like a film. And then we have to hole in it. After that we have to put sticks and we have to put the eggshells on the top of the sticks. In my previous craft there was some leftover white papers and I colored them into black. I'm putting them around the coconut shell so that it can look like kind of rocks. And then I put some clay pieces which was leftovers from another craft. And then I put two tiny little house. Mushroom forest is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you want to see eco-friendly art and craft videos. Thank you.